Buzz time?
Buzz time.
Buzz time.
Guess what?
Buzzing.
Guys, Jamaica now has a total of 223 confirmed COVID-19 cases. Now, Health and Wellness Minister Dr. Christopher Tupton reported an additional 27 cases of the coronavirus in Jamaica last night. Of those 27, 19 are females and 8 are males. 26 of them are linked to the Alarica call center in Portmore, St. Catherine. Now, here's the thing. Of the cases, 34 are imported, 6 are local transmission with no epidemiological link, 47 contacts of a confirmed case, and 136 that are under investigation. Now, of that 136, 120 have been identified within a workplace cluster. So, in addition to 16 other cases, so far, 1,889 samples have been tested, with 223 being positive. 1,655 are negative. Right. 11 are pending. So that's not too bad. There are 128 persons in isolation and 24 in quarantine in a government facility.
Jamaican or how we're dealing with the COVID issue.
COVID.
Or fight here. The persons involved in the Kobe Bryant crash. Now, they have joined the NBA legend's widow in filing wrongful death lawsuits against the helicopter company, a report said. Now, these are the families of the persons who perished along with Kobe Bryant and his daughter. Now, former college baseball coach John Altobelli, his wife Kerry, and their daughter Alicia, who played basketball with Gianna Bryant, along with girls basketball coach Christina Mauser, were on the way to Bryant's basketball facility for the 13-year-old hoopsters game when the chopper crashed on January 26 in California, killing all 9 persons on board. The Altobelli and Mauser families claim Island Express negligently and carelessly breached duty to own, lease, manage, maintain, control, entrust, charter, and operate the helicopter in question in a reasonable manner. This is according to TMZ, citing court documents. Now, the private chopper, which crashed amid dense fog, flew despite weather conditions not being up to the Los Angeles Police Department's standard for flying. The exact cause of the crash has yet to be determined by authorities. This is just sad for me. It's just sad. It's just sad. I need to get to this point.
What do you think is sad about it?
It's 9 persons who passed, man. Okay. And I think in the sports world, especially the basketball community, people are still reeling from the death of Kobe Bryant and his daughter. So this now, it can't bring back the family members who are lost. But I mean, hey, I hope they win.
Twitter was blowing up about a new sex symbol, and guess who it is? None other than the watching in passing, and I had to just reverse and place myself in front of the TV and kind of be a bit like,
Mrs. Holness,
big up yourself.
Walk with that tin of insect spray.
Hey.
And protect your husband.
No, man,
that's
it's
what I
good.
say. I don't know with security firm, you got to put a lamp on him. Tracker.
We are respectful
down the road,
Jamaican women. You're safe. You're safe. We just say,
let me tell you.
Good job,
Guess
Mr. Holness.
I believe. Guess I believe.
What do you
believe. It's like the press conference. The attorney general. She go, over to you, Prime Minister. That's it.
Doctor.
Hold your fort. Hold your fort. Hold your fort.
Big up yourself. I was very, you know what? Daytime Live will be back with much more of Duff Done.
Know me. Big up yourself.
You know, and enough more buzz. Join us after the break. We soon come.
Wait till the free up and the OG man go. Everybody want to go.
No, man, him look good, man.